1 hour and 39 minutes. What's up guys, as you can see we have literally turned up at Daring Woods, aka the Screaming Woods. Hopefully we'll catch something out on here or something spooky, because this place here actually looks really spooky. Let me just turn my EMF on. Alright, I've now stuck. Right now, I'll put my EMF on. Hopefully we'll get something on there. Might have to put my night vision on in a minute. Put that in my pocket. Let's have a look and see what it looks like with the night vision on at the moment, shall we? So that looks better. So guys, like I say in all my videos, if you see anything, just let me know, because I might miss a lot of stuff. Oh my god, if you do come visit this place, don't forget to bring your wellies. It is extremely muddy. Obviously it is the woods. Wow. There's Larry over there. See if we can catch up with him, shall we? Right guys, I've heard a lot about this place. I've heard about the whole families disappearing. That was like 5 different families were found dead and piled up in the middle of these woods. And they died of some sort of like, they couldn't find no markings on them or nothing. Apparently that they died of carbon dioxide or something like that. I think I'll have to double check on that. Forgive me if I'm wrong, but yeah, I just find it a bit odd, because just at the bottom of the actual newspaper clipping, it had www.facebook, and I swear in those days they didn't actually have internet, and they didn't have Facebook, because I swear Facebook was in 2004 or something, but not unless that was put on. If I'm mistaken, then prove me wrong. And yeah, let's see what we get on this place.
Are we going into the woods?
Yeah, we're going in the woods.
Like just off the track?
Yeah, off the track.
Straight in?
Straight in.
Straight in.
Straight in.
There's the woods, in the woods.
Again! Another place, and gunshots.
Everywhere we go.
Everywhere we go. Everywhere we go. Always hear the gunshots.
You've been excited for this one, haven't you?
Oh mate, I'm really excited in this, man. I really want to pick something. Like last time you said when you were here, you had some sort of like whistling noises or something.
There's something reflecting down there.
Yeah, I see that. Okay, your EMF went off.
You can just, let me try and centralise this camera. Just there.
My EMF just went off?
The EMF's going off already. What do you think that is?
Oh, that flying around is a butterfly. Give you a torch on it? Let's have a look. Investigation time. Hopefully it's not going to lead us into somewhere where... Well, I'm already starting to sink. So watch out where you're treading.
Bigger. Even bigger.
Oh, I can't see nothing on my camera. What's that up in the wood? Oh. Oh my days, someone stuck a mask! Yeah, look at this! They're trying to freak people out in these woods, bruh. Fuck me. Can you imagine? Look at this. People are trying to scare the crap out of people in here, I swear.
Okay, that's normal.
Yeah, it's always normal, mate. Oh shit. Yeah, it's normal to walk around. There's some people putting Halloween masks up. What is it? Garbage?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just rubbish.
Some reflective thing.
That's just sort of like high-vis bag thing.
Yeah.
EMFs are going off nicely. Do an EVP in a minute or later. Mate, I'm already kind of lost, man. I need to stay right near the tracks because this is literally took us off. So well, I'm not gonna hold this EMF like that because I want to focus. If anything actually, whatever comes up on it, I'll tell you how high it goes. Yeah, there are moths everywhere in this place. So you're gonna see some sort of thing flying around. Holy crap! You see them all there. Look at that. So many of them.
It's mad. I've seen some of them just fluffing around.
I'm literally like, we're walking in these woods.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I don't want to be the next two people to get lost in this place, you know that.
That's a good point.
I'm literally like, I'm just saying, like, people do get lost and I don't want my screams to be the next people that, or next ones they can hear. Not too far away from the track.
Holy shit, that part of my friends, but these woods. This is some
Next level shit.
this is some Blair Witch shit. I don't want to swear, but sometimes it makes sense.
65?
Yeah, that's
What was that? Hang on. Shh. Hang on. My 12. I heard something. Right guys, we're literally deep in the fucking woods at the moment, man. I have no idea how deep we are. We're literally guiding ourselves back in 52?
We haven't gone that far.
Someone's made a nice... Someone trying to make campsites. Mate, my legs hurting now. $42. 73.
Jesus.
Oh, fucking hell, mate. You know what? My leg hurts, man.
Your leg?
Yeah, it feels like it fucking hurts. Shine the torch?
Your leg hurts?
Yeah, it fucking hurts right here. I don't know, it just fucking hurts. I can feel something here, but I can't see anything. With hairy legs. Just on this area here, this EMF is going off quite frequently. Right next to this as well. Yeah. I don't know if it's me just being like overhearing, oh shit, over knowing that people get lost in here. That was 101. That was 101. And it's slowly going up and down, up and down.
Let's head this way.
Fuck. I just got a shiver down my fucking spine. No, it was like I thought something grabbed me, but it was a bush, a twig. If we keep on walking, you never know. You just might keep going around and around and around in circles. That's how they got lost. Or you might fall down in some sort of, I don't know, hole or something. What? There's so many, mate. It's like they all moved here.
Like all over the trees. Have you seen them on the trees?
Are they on the trees?
Holy
shit, they are. Look at them all. There are so many. Bro, wait for me, man. Come on.
Our EMFs keep going on.
Yours has gone off?
Both of them are going off. We've got 2 running and they keep going off quite high.
Yours gone off again? I can't even see it because oh shit, my annuals went off at the same time.
Both going off. We topped 100 of one of them, haven't we? Where are you?
Oh, right behind you.
Can't see you. Okay.
Wait, bro, both of ours are
I
there.
hope this is picking up on the camera. I'm asking, can you hear like you're going to answer back? But
I can't see yours and mine at the time.
A lot.
You don't have your light on yours, so I can't see.
You can turn the light on if you want.
I can't even fucking see it. I need to use my camera to see it.
Pass it outside of the bag.
Don't move.
They were just.
There you go.
You got it on?
Yeah, so.
Just turn the EMF light on. Get a region of both of them. She's only 3, man, not mine.
Wait for me.
These woods are pretty.
Bro. Fucking almost that one.
Moss everywhere. It's like Silent Hill. I don't know how many people have played that game.
Can we not go too far in? I'm not being a wuss or anything, but I'd like to get my...
You are being a wuss. You're being a total wuss.
I'm not, just...
It's fine. It's fine to be a wuss.
I don't want to get lost. I've never been...
It's just anxiety, isn't it? You're just anxious.
So glad I brought the wellies, man.
Oh, me too.
You hear slush, slash, slash, slash.
Oh, which way we're going?
I'm following you. Let's keep going straight.
I'm just walking.
Yeah. We're like, oh. Get my boots get stuck in. Ah, it's Ming, mate. Come on, fall in. 71.
Oh, my boots can handle it.
Are they Tim's, innit?
Tim's. Got the Tim's on.
Got the Tim's on.
No one ever wears Tim's for what they're meant for. Right, we're going this, definitely this way. Definitely. Ow!
Who's that? Who's that? Oh.
Oh
look, that comes to the footpath.
This
No, this is a different one.
This isn't the footpath.
No, this is a different one. Right, Larry said he knew where we were going and now he fully doesn't know where we are.
Do you want to lead the way for a bit?
Me? I have no idea where I'm going.
Right.
Okay. I'll Is my light still flashing on top of my head?
Yep.
Sweet.
Right, you got this. You got this.
Alright, follow me.
Lost in Daring Woods.
Yeah. Well, I think
The next screams you hear haunting this place will be mine and Richie's.
Yeah. I've got a feeling the next screens are going to be ours.
What? I do that.
I fucking did. I saw something.
Did you see? Oh no. That's
My
you.
GoPro's just died.
Your GoPro's just turned off.
I need to change the battery. Just going to pause this, I need to change battery and my GoPro's just stopped. So, be back in a minute. We are literally in the middle of these woods.
Not just the woods, I mean outside the woods it's like there's nothing for miles, isn't it?
Literally nothing. Yeah, I think there's a house. I think there's 1 or 2 houses. If you look onto Google Earth.
Well, there's a little village behind us, but that's about it.
It's a train. Ghost train.
Do you know, I'm
You're what?
I don't know, it's just something about these woods, this part of the woods. I'm not liking the look of that, are you?
No. Should be quiet, see if we can hear anything.
Yeah, I don't like the look of this bit of woods. All you get is someone whistling at you. So if you want to go back to the path, it's just there. Or we can go through the woods.
Yeah, let's go back to the path. I think I can see where the gate is. Yeah. It looks like someone else is coming down here as well.
Felt more dodgy on the left hand side than the right hand side.
Yeah.
Like
that bright light.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
flash.
Yeah, that's all.
Something flash.
Do you not see it? There's
Behind
like a
us.
flash over there.
I didn't see that.
Big ass flash.
It went off like 3 times.
Did it through? I only saw one.
I didn't see
That's
that.
through the trees.
Did you see that?
Yeah. Are you guys just investigating? You got yourself a channel or?
Oh
No,
nah,
we're just
we're
looking
just
around.
looking.
Oh.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Do you have a channel?
Yeah, at the moment.
Oh, nice.
But yeah, if you come back out and you hear anything, let us know.
We'll do.
You take it.
Yeah.
Be safe, guys.
Yeah, me too.
Well, as you can see, it's not just us that comes down here in the middle of the night and exploring this place, but there's a few guys that are just going in now, and hopefully they're going to be alright. We're going to go back in a minute. Just going to change the battery in with torch. Right, let's get back in there. EVP time. Yeah. There's Lucy down there. Right through there.
Really?
What the fuck was that? I don't know if that was a fox or not. Your EMF going off.
What was that?
I don't know.
It sounded like a girl. I didn't see any girls coming here, did he?
But I legit heard a ah.
Yeah, I heard that.
I can't see on the camera. I can't see on the camera. Bruv, did you hear that behind you?
Yeah.
What was that noise?
That was like screaming, wasn't it?
That was definitely screaming. Well, I'm not going to walk through that bit because it's probably going to go knee high. It's muddy as hell. We turned left here, come up to this tree and just written, I have no idea what, sorry.
Dead.
Is it dead what?
I don't know. But the tree looks dead. I'm wondering if it's that. I don't know.
Yeah, that was me, my torch. I put the strobe on by accident. Oh, don't want to walk into that, mate. You end up sinking.
Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go?
Just sit and listen somewhere. Like,
Sit down.
just find somewhere that we can actually listen. Because if we're walking around, we're not going to hear. Apart from slushies. Right guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if we can find a location, just sit and just be quiet for a bit, put the tripod up and see if we can actually hear anything or footsteps around us. Like I did say earlier, there is a few people out here with us, but we've moved further away from them as we can, so, and they got their torches, so we're glad to see it. But let's see if we can find somewhere just to be quiet and listen.
I was going to say, we don't just do haunted, we do urban exploring. Anywhere abandoned, we'll go check that out.
Most definitely.
Just somewhere that gives us that whoa factor.
Yeah, I wanted to, you know, I like a big massive abandoned buildings.
Yeah,
That's my favourite one.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Like, so not just haunted places, if you know somewhere that's abandoned, you want us to check it out, we'll go and see. We'll look it up, see if we can actually go in there without breaking the law and check it out.
Yeah, and if we catch a ghostly things, then we
Even
catch
better.
it even better.
Even better.
So guys, we're going to leave you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to Larry Explores. He'd be very happy and appreciated, wouldn't you?
Yes, most definitely.
Yeah, and don't forget when you do subscribe to hit that bell button to keep yourself notified every time we release a video. So I'll take it easy. Take it easy. I'm looking around trying to find out where I'm going. Well guys, take it easy. I'm gonna see you later if we can find out where we are now, and I'm hungry. See you later guys, peace out.